after the end of the video. If you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, because we provide quality content. So let's get started. Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss why Capgemini is sending work style report and what is work style report. Is it a sign for selection or is it a sign for rejection? And if you did not receive work style report and if you are waiting for interview, then this video is for you. No need to worry. I'll clear everything in this video. Okay. So before starting the video, let me tell you, show the screenshot. Okay, so this is the screenshot of the mail. A lot of candidates are receiving this mail. Title is Capgemini final assessment test work style report. So this is the mail for work style report. Let's understand what is in this mail. So they are saying, greetings from Capgemini. Thank you for your interest in a career opportunity with us, and we hope you had a good experience undertaking the virtual assessment under Capgemini Accelerate program. Please click here. They are providing a link, okay, to download your personalized work style report containing outlining six work styles, describing your task preferences, attitudes and approaches to work, ideas and outlook on interacting with others. We hope you utilize the work style report and self-awareness on your work style and your interests, tendencies and motivations. Kindly stay in touch with your concerned training and placement officer for updates on your final result. So you will receive your result via your placement department. Okay, and you will also receive a mail, okay, regarding your result. So this is a work style report. So basically what they are saying, I'll tell you in this video, but before that, let's understand the hiring process of Capgemini. Then you will understand better what is work style report. So basically there are 5 steps in the Capgemini hiring process. Step 1 is technical assessment pseudocodes. Step 2 is multiple choice, or you can say MCQ English communication test. Step 3 is game based aptitude test. Step 4 is behavior competency profiling, and step 5 is technical and HR interview. So step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 5, these 4 steps are elimination round. But step 4, I mean behavior competency profiling, this step is not elimination round, not an elimination round. Okay, so if you will perform well in step 1, step 2 and step 3, then you will receive an interview mail for step 5. Okay, and let me tell you another page. This is the page, this is the complete workflow hiring flow. So here they are saying only those candidates who have cleared as a test assessment step 1 to step 3 will be invited for the interview. Okay, so if you will perform well in these 3 steps, then you will receive interview mail. Okay, and step 4 is just to check your behavior skills. This will not impact on your result. Okay, so after that, one more important thing they are saying, please note that receiving the work style report does not confirm the clearance of the test assessment. Okay, so if you have received work style report, so it does not mean you have cleared the online assessment. And if you did not receive work style report, then it does not mean that you did not clear online assessment. So okay, so it totally depends on Capgemini whether they want to send you work style report or not. Okay, so because there are a lot of candidates who are receiving this mail, and there are a lot of candidates who are not receiving this mail. Okay, and last year, I mean you can say in last Capgemini hiring process, there are a lot of candidates who did not receive any work style report, but they received interview mail. Okay, and there are a lot of candidates who received work style report and they also received interview mail. Okay, so work style report is just for your reference, so that you can understand how you performed in behavior competency, or what is your behavior, what should you improve. Okay, but last year or in last hiring process, most of the candidates who have received work style report, they also received interview mail. Okay, so if you have received work style report, then that's a good. Okay, but if you did not receive work style report, then also there is no problem. But if you have received, then it's a positive sign, because there are a lot of candidates last year, they got interview mail after work style report. Okay, so yeah, this is the update, and I think I did not miss anything. And if you are waiting for interview, yeah, please wait and keep trying keep preparing. And one more important thing, one hour ago I made a video that Capgemini is again hiring. Okay, so it's a good sign for you, good news for you, because Capgemini is again hiring 2021 pass out batch. It means Capgemini has higher vacancy. Okay, so please keep preparing for interview. Okay, because Capgemini assessment cutoff is going to very low. Okay, so keep preparing for interview because there are a lot of vacancies this year in Capgemini. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. And I have already made a video for interview, Capgemini interview, TR plus HR interview questions. Okay, and I'll provide link in description box so you can watch that video. Okay, if you want to prepare Capgemini interview. Okay, and yeah, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in description box. And yeah, if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.